Yo, what's up everyone? It's Technology L here, and today in this video we are gonna have a complete experiment whether you can properly install Windows 7 onto your recent PCs, and we'll check out whether it's able to perform all the basic requirements on the applications that we use on a daily basis. So yes, we'll be installing Windows 7 from scratch. You can follow the same set of steps in case you want to install a fresh installation onto your PC or your laptops. In case your PC is running really slow, give it a shot, install Windows 7, and just see how good it performs. So let's quickly begin with the installation. Firstly, visit the website, the link is in the description, and download this official copy of Windows 7. The size is 4.8 GB, so simply extract this folder out of the archive. Once done, simply head over to the folder which you have extracted. There you find everything that you need for the purpose. So you get a readme instructions document, so simply follow the details provided there. Otherwise, you have this ISO file. You can simply mount it up and then install Windows from there itself. It will install Windows 7 onto your existing system, keeping all your settings and applications as it is. Just your current Windows will be switched to Windows 7. Otherwise, the second method, you can go for a clean installation, run this application called Win2Bootek as an administrator, and then you need a USB drive. So I'm using a 32 GB USB right here. You can use any one, but the size must be at least 8 GB. Simply select your USB drive here, check quick format, and drag and drop your ISO file right here. And once the ISO file loads up, simply press do it. And now give it around 5 to 10 minutes. It should be ready. It will just flash this ISO file onto your pen drive and make it a bootable USB. And there you can see the flashing process is complete. So just hit thanks and exit the app. Now if you go to your USB contents, you'll see that the Windows 7 installation media is present right here. And if you head over to this folder sources OEM, and there you find the files for activating your edition of Windows. There is a chance that your Windows Defender will pretend these files as malicious. Just go and simply restore these files back to where they were. Otherwise, after installation, you'll have to look for some other method for activating your Windows. So it's absolutely safe. It's just there for the activation part. So that's it. The bootable media is now ready. So what you now need to do is simply restart. And then when your PC restarts, simply head over to the BBS menu of your motherboard. Otherwise, go to your BIOS and set your USB as the bootable drive first priority. And that's it. Now your PC will boot up into the bootable media mode through the USB drive, and then you'll be able to install your edition of Windows. The installation should roughly take max to max 30 minutes, and once it's done, you will get this screen where the installer will check up and set everything up for you. And there you have this pop-up that says installing Windows Loader, which is that crack part of the installer which is activating your Windows for you. Though it's a crack, but it will be a genuine product key and you will be able to use all the Windows features with that. And within the next few minutes, you'll see that the installation is complete and you'll be sent to your desktop. Let's quickly head over to the control panel and have a look at the system specifications. The screen recording is not happening on this machine because I could not install screen recording and all. I'm just setting it up all raw. Screen recording is being done through a network PC, so yes, there is a huge delay in the cursor movement. Apart from that, everything looks fine, the specs are being showed up correctly, and you can see that Windows is also activated with a genuine license key. So yes, that's a good. You have installed Windows 7 and it's activated. That's the best part of it, and everything is working just fine. So yes, it's a really easy method how you can install Windows 7 no matter for what purpose you're installing it. And that's it. If you're facing any issues during the installation, drop down a comment, I'll help you out. And if you're new to my channel, stay subscribed as we keep bringing up such experimental videos on a regular basis. Thanks for watching.